Ever felt tiredness and cramp in your feet and calves? The Goolf Ghoornan, a yoga practice, might be the answer you're looking for. This simple yet powerful exercise hails from the vast and rich world of yoga, specifically targeting your feet and calves. It's all about rotation and breathing, bringing a sense of relief and rejuvenation to those weary muscles. And what's best, you don't have to be a yoga pro to do it. So, are you intrigued by the potential benefits of Goolf Ghoornan? Stick around to learn how to do it. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of Goolf Ghoornan. We start in the base position, comfortably seated with legs extended in front of you. Bend your right knee, drawing your foot toward your groin. Gently turn your knee out to the side, and if you feel no strain, delicately place your foot on your left thigh. It's important to ensure your ankle is far enough over the thigh so it's free for rotation. Next, hold your right ankle with your right hand. Grasp the toes of your right foot with your left hand. With the help of your left hand, you'll begin to rotate your right foot. Imagine your foot is the hand of a clock, and you're going to slowly rotate it 10 times in a clockwise direction. Keep your movement smooth and controlled. Once you've completed the clockwise rotations, you'll then rotate your foot 10 times in an anti-clockwise direction. As for the breathing, we inhale on the upward movement and exhale on the downward movement. This helps to create a rhythm, a harmony between body and breath, deepening your awareness of the rotation and your breath. And that's it. Once you've done it with the right foot, repeat the process with your left foot. Easy, isn't it? The Goolf Ghoornan does more than just relieve tiredness and cramps. This simple yet powerful yoga practice is a true game changer for your health. It's like a secret weapon in your wellness arsenal, ready to be deployed when you need it the most. By practicing Goolf Ghoornan, you're actively helping your body to return stagnant lymph and venous blood. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy circulatory system and ensuring your body's cells receive the nutrients they need. But that's not all. This asana is also a preventative measure against venous thrombosis. Now, that's a term you might have heard in a medical drama, but it's a real concern, especially for those who are bedridden or recovering from surgery. By incorporating Goolf Ghoornan into your routine, you're taking a proactive step in preventing such health issues. So next time you feel a cramp coming on, remember the Goolf Ghoornan.